Welcome back again, guys. This is MK Concept. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do Facebook advert for free. Yeah, how to boost your social media audience for free. Probably you need more subscribers on YouTube, more followers on Instagram, more followers on Facebook, more Facebook like, share, more TikTok followers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve that. Probably you are a businessman, you need to market your product. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve that. All you have to do to get started is to keep watching this video and mind you, do not skip any step in this video because I'm going to be giving you step by step. Watch this video to the end if you want to achieve this thing I'm talking about. For those that do not know where I am Oluwala Joseph, the CEO of MK Concept. I'm a digital marketer, an affiliate marketer. I'm a website designer, graphic designer. How to make a lot of money online. Yeah, because I make my own money online. I teach people a lot of skills that can actually fetch them a lot of money. Yeah, if I'm talking about a lot of money, I mean a lot of money. Yeah, and if you need this kind of a video, you are interested in this kind of a video, kindly go down below and subscribe now. And do not forget to turn on the notification. You know what this is actually going to do? This is going to notify you whenever content like this are being posted on this channel. And do not forget to comment in the comment box. If you have any message to pass across to me, please comment in the comment box below. Right now, not to waste much of our time, just come over to Google, type add me fast. Yeah, add me fast, add me fast, and enter it. Give it a couple of seconds to load. Yeah, if you bring something like this, it's possible it bring capture, complete the capture, but I've been accessing this website. Yeah, it's possible it do not bring it for me, but if it bring it for you, okay, yeah. So if you bring something like this, click on hire me human. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Shall make sure you complete it. And after completing it, wait a couple of seconds to load. Yeah, wait a couple of seconds to load. It might take some directing. So right now, this is how it looks like at first. This is how it looks like. So right now, this is how it looks like at first. This is how it looks like. Actually, I already have an account with them, but for the sake of those that do not know how to create an account, so right now I will create the register. This place, come over to register, click on it. So it will bring something like this. Make sure you have an active email. Yeah, an active email, because they are going to send a verification link to your email. So they are going to send you. So make sure you enter an active email. So right now I'll be entering my email. I'm just use this because I already use create a password. Make sure that the password you want to enter is strong enough. When you are done inserting it, click on I'm not a robot. After clicking on it, yeah, so now click on sign up. So after clicking on sign up, congratulations, your registration completed successfully. To be able to log in your account, please check your email and confirm account. So right now, go over to your email, refresh. Can you see add me fast? Confirm your email, confirm your add me fast account email. Click on it, click on it. So check here to confirm. Click on check here to confirm. So your if you can you see your email was successfully confirmed. Now you can log into your account to start your social media marketing and crypto promotion. So right now, come over here, sign in. Come over to sign in here. Yeah, can you see your this thing is automatically filled? or if not, fill them according to how you filled when you were signing up. So click on login. Please read this page carefully this time, and you don't need to read, just over here and agree it. I agree. So after agreeing, yeah, wonderful. Welcome. Thank you for choosing adminfast.com social media marketing mixing platform. So this is where the business is. Can you see? If you come over here, zero EMF, right? 0 points. Can you see? So this point is what you will be using to marketing your product. Probably you need social media audience. This point is what you will be using to increase your audience. So come over to this three stroke here. Three stroke, come over here. So right now, if you want to increase your point, because this point is what we'll be using, as I said. So come over to Facebook page. You see all this thing here, and do here. This is what you will be using to increase your points. Just come over to let's try Facebook page like followers. Click on it. Facebook page like or followers. You will get 10 points for like or follow. So if you like this particular person, you are going to get 10 points. So click on like and follow. You will get 10 points. So just come over to like here. Like it. I guess you should have a Facebook account. So after liking it, back it. So now go over to admin fast again to the website and click on confirm. Can you see 10 points added to your balance? Can you see? Check over here. 10 points has been added to your stuff. Come over here again. Like, you see, you will get 10 points for like or share. Click on it again. So this is how you will be doing it to be increasing your points, because this point is what you will be using to increase your stuff, to build your audience. So like like or follow, click on it. Come over to like here, like it, back it, confirm it. Can you see? Another 10 added to it. So come over here again. You see this one, you will get 20 points for like or share. Definitely, if you like this page, you are going to get 20 points. You know, the one we are liking before, we are getting 10 points. Yeah, but this particular one, if you like it, you are going to get 20 points. So come over here again, like the page, and go back to the home page. After going back, come back to the main site. Click on confirm. You see 40 points. Can you see 40 points? So after doing all these things, you can also come over to, instead of liking and following, come over to post like. Facebook post like. You can do that also. Yeah, you will get 4 points for liking this. So you can like this particular post and get your four points. And if you want to, you can also come over to Instagram likes, TikTok followers. Doing this thing consistently, you'll be getting points. Yeah, you'll be getting points. You can Twitter followers, Twitter tweets, Twitter retweets. Can you see YouTube views, YouTube like, YouTube subscribers, YouTube subscribe rather. So if you also want to do this thing, that people will be subscribing to your own YouTube channel also, people will be liking your Facebook page, people will be sharing your product. Yeah, people will be following you on Instagram, on Telegram, on TikTok. Come over to this story stroke again. Come over here. Yeah, my sites. Click on my sites. So after clicking on my site, come over to add. Click on add. my side. There is no site here. So as you can see, the very first thing here is type Facebook page, like or followers. But you can just choose the one you want to do. Probably you want to do Facebook page, like or followers, Facebook share, Facebook post, like, Facebook post share, coin market cap. If you anything you want to do, just click on it. Instagram followers, Instagram likes, YouTube subscribe, YouTube video likes, YouTube views. Probably you want to market your product. You posted a product on Facebook and you want people to share it. You want more people to see it. Just come over to Facebook post share. Yeah, more people will actually share your post and more people will see it. So let's just assume that I want to do um let's assume that you want to do YouTube views. Yeah, YouTube views. Click on YouTube views. Can you see? You just mark this worldwide. What this means, but you can decide to target a particular country. Probably you want Nigerian people to view your YouTube videos. But for me, I do click on worldwide to create more traffic. So I do click on worldwide. So title, just type something YouTube views. Let me just type okay MK concept. So as you can see, MK concept video URL. So go over to the post. Probably you want people to share your Facebook post. Go over to the post and copy the URL, the link. I mean the link. Copy it, paste it here. Yeah, copy it, paste it here. If you want people to subscribe to your channel, to your YouTube channel, copy your channel ID or user ID and paste it here and paste here. Yeah. If you want people to follow you on Instagram, your Instagram username, type it here, show a graph. So assuming you want to do YouTube subscriber, just copy channel ID or user ID. This is where you can find it. Settings, um advanced settings, go over there, you'll find it there. But for now I want to do YouTube video views. Show a graph, YouTube views. So I just go over to the particular video right. So after adding it, this is how it looks like. Congratulations, your site upgrade was successfully added. So 0 clicks means nobody has clicked it yet. Yeah, nobody has clicked it. Just wait a couple of minutes, you will see. But do not abandon it there. Just go and be gaining more points, because within a couple of seconds now, this 40 points will be reducing. Let's introduce myself once again. I am Hodwala Joseph, the CEO of OMP Concept. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please kindly go down below and subscribe, please.